First of all, thanks for watching this video today. Today we are going to see a review on Sketch Genius. Sketch Genius build unique pattern interrupt videos in all languages. Sketch Genius turn photos into high-impact 3D sketch animated videos using next generation artificial intelligence. For the first time ever with Sketch Genius app, you can now transform boring static photos into visually captivating 3D drawings and sketch animated videos in various colors, sketch styles, and backgrounds within a minutes. Create super unique videos that stand out from the crowd with first to market sketch themes including 3D crayon sketch, charcoal sketch, animated sketch notebook, checkboard sketch, animated flipboard sketch, black and white pencil drawing, 3D color pencil sketch, and a whole lot more. The app is powered by next gen artificial intelligence that is far superior than anything you have seen before. Plus, unlike other apps that only create short videos, with Sketch Genius you can create unlimited ultra long video presentations without any monthly fees. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. What kind of videos can I create with Sketch Genius? Unleash your creativity and build unique pattern. Interrupt 3D sketch animated videos in all languages. Create ultra long videos up to 50 minutes long. Unique sketch animation first. Crayon sketch videos. Sketch any photo with full color crayon style. Cutting edge technologies included. Turn any photos into color sketch video. Artificial intelligence color and shape detection. Machine learning shape and border detection. Create ultra long video presentation. Unique sketch animation 2. Charcoal sketch videos. Attract, engage, and convert more prospects into sales with a unique attention grabbing charcoal sketch videos. Create videos that tell a compelling story and grab your viewers' attention till the end. Unique sketch animation. Third, animated notebook videos. Pencil sketch inside a fully animated notebook with flipping page for ultra engaging storytelling. Create videos for any marketing goal and captivate your audience to drive results. Sales videos, product presentations, educational videos are now fun and easy to create. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. Unique sketch animation. Fourth, checkboard sketch videos. Turn photos into checkboard sketch videos with incredible detail. Create powerful videos that look like a work of art in any niche or topic. Create educational videos, product demos, and explainer videos to attract new customers for your business or clients. Unique sketch animation. Fifth, color pencil sketch videos. Pencil sketch photos in full color for multi-purpose video animation suitable for all video types. Unleash your creativity and produce professional videos without any technical skills or experience. Explainer videos, social media, product presentations, explainer videos, and anything else you can imagine can be created in minutes. Design automation app. Sixth, blueprint sketch videos. Turn photos into unique blueprint sketch video unlike anything you have seen before. Grab more eyeballs with pattern interrupt sketch videos. Perfect for real estate, architecture, and all other marketing videos. Design automation app. Seventh, animated sketch flipbook videos. Create a lasting impact your audience with color sketch flipbook video. Boost engagement and reduce bonus rates with high impact videos that grip your audience and turn them into sales. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses. What's included with Sketch Genius app. State of the art features without monthly costs or subscriptions. World's first photo to sketch video. Turn any photo into ultra detailed 3D sketch drawings and animated videos. Powered by artificial intelligence. Let the AI turn your text into beautiful scenes and detect colors in your photos for a perfect sketch. Speech to text transcription. Personalize videos with your own branding, images, and text. Never seen before sketch themes. Create oil painting, sketchbook, sketch logo reveal, crayon sketch, blue board, and black and white videos with ease. Male and female hands. Draw using a wide variety of hand styles from various ethnics for ultra realistic sketch animation to represent your brand. Flexible timeline editor. Customize and edit your videos with ease and make long length sketch videos. First click transaction. Attract global audience with multilingual videos. Lifelike text to speech. Choose from hundreds of male and female voice and accents. Millions of royalty-free images. Create unique videos in all topics with a huge library of images. Subtitles and captions maker. Easily add subtitles and captions to your videos to boost engagement and sales. Built-in music library. Select from hundreds of music tracks. Background removal. Remove unwanted background in one click and create sketch videos. Step-by-step training. Cut your learning curve and get results fast. Commercial license. Sell videos to clients or as a freelancer for profit. Unlimited usage forever. No limits, restrictions, or monthly fees. If you are interested in buying the product, then check out the description box. Plus, you will get bonuses.